Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Gear Up Chale, the unboxing on Chrissy Tech Space. And yeah, so you got yourself a Sonos Arc and you got yourself a Sonos Saps. I mean, hey, you know where I'm going with this, right? All right, so let's get right into the unboxing. Yep, so today we are going to unbox the Sonos Era 300. So you got your Arc and you got your Saps. You definitely want to get your rare surrounds. And the Era 300 is one of the great surrounds that you can get, the rares that you can get, because for Atmos, definitely this in the Sonos lineup, this is the better one I would say to go for. You can go for the 100, which is great, or you can go for the XL. To me, the 300, the Era 300 is the best. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. All right, again, the DHL box came through, and the Sonos box, the Era 300. And you already know how it is. The second box. All right, and the DHL box. And Sonos box for left and right. Boom, Era 300, and I got me the white ones. Obviously, I need to get a white one for matching. Sonos didn't screw up this time. They didn't sell me a white and a black. They sent me both white ones. And again, it's not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. Anyway, yeah, Sonos shipped this one from the Netherlands, and let's have a look at what is in the box. So today is just the unboxing. Just like the Sonos Arc, remove this, take this little piece out, and then to unlock, bam, and then bam. Hold up, you know, we can do both of them at the same time. Take that out. I love the way Sonos does their packaging. Very simple, easy to unbox, and man, both of them, and both of them is white. Anyway, so that's what you have here, the Era 300. User manual that's here. Sonos don't include no stickers. So the user guide is very simple. Like I said, it's very simple to set up. Follow the step 1, 2, and you are good to go. You have to download the Sonos app from the App Store, and you get a single power cable. It's a white one, not a black one. Okay, so the same here, and we have 2 of those. So let's pull this open here. Ooh, wow. I just love the Era 300s, you know what I'm saying? I love the design of it. It's just gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Now you can use this one as a single, as a standalone, or you can use them as a stereo pair. In this case, I'm using them as surround. You know, getting the Sonos, you gotta get the whole setup, you know what I'm saying? So there we go, the Era 300s. For Dolby Atmos, you definitely wanna get this one. And yes, so that is the microphone toggle on and off, and it has a USB input here for your line in if you wanna use your audio jack. Now, you can't just use any one of them. You have to get a special cable from Sonos, you know, if you wanna do that. I don't need that because I am using this as a rare, and that is the power input here, and then the Bluetooth pairing button here, because this one supports Bluetooth, not just AirPlay like most of the Sonos devices, and the volume up and down here, the pause and play forward skip microphone at the top. Yep, and at the bottom here is your mounting hole for you to mount the Era 300. I got a Sonos stand that will help me to mount this on the rear. So I'm gonna use this one for left and right channels at the rear for the Dolby Atmos. You know, you wanna experience the whole Dolby Atmos when you're watching your movie, you know, like chilling with your baby and watching your movie, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Anyways, get your Sonos Arc, get your Saps for your low ends, and get the Era 300. You can get a 100 if you want, or you can get a Sonos one or the One SL if you want. But for Atmos, the Era 300 is the best to pair with your whole setup for Atmos. So yeah, there you have it. But anyway, thanks guys for joining me today on another episode of Gear Up Chale, the unboxing the Sonos Era 300s. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. I'm Era out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, hold up. Both of them, it gotta be both of them. So I'm Era out.